Following the release of Osprey Approach, we're proud to present our new Osprey Approach Outlook add-in. The Osprey Approach Outlook add-in can be installed either on your local copy of Outlook or through Outlook 365. Let's install the add-in. On your local copy of Outlook, navigate to the Home tab and select the Microsoft Store. Search for Osprey in the Filters area, and when located, select the option to add. It's that simple. Now enter your details and sign in. The progress bar will show you which stage of the export process is currently underway. If you know the client and matter you wish to export the email to, enter them here. You can also use the advanced search to filter your clients even further. Click Search to filter. Then left-click on the client to select them. Add a detail to be displayed in the Osprey Matter history. You can also set a custom type, select a folder, and add a retention period if you wish. To export the email only, select this box. Select the Time Posting box to open up the time recording details, where you'll be able to post your time to Osprey. Finally, click Export. You'll be notified that the export has been successful. Now, if you log into Osprey and access the relevant client's matter history, you can see the email, as well as the attachment if you've chosen to export that too. When opening a new email, you can use the add-in to send the email to contacts in Osprey, as well as attaching Osprey documents and packages. Now sign in and search for the relevant matter. The progress bar will be displayed at the top of the side panel. Select an Osprey email template to import it into your new email. Select your recipient from the Client and Matter Contacts list. Once selected, choose whether you wish to add them to the To or CC box. You can also choose an email address from your contacts and organizations. Select a document available in Osprey to add to the email as an attachment. You're also able to add any packages you may have created in Osprey. When logging into your emails through Office 365, you'll notice an Osprey Approach icon. Sign in to enable the same functionality as found on your local copy of Outlook. The add-in will also be available on any new emails sent from Outlook 365. Thank you for watching.